I am Tostada Man.
Here we are. We're going to have meatless tacos, which means we made lentils and rice, one pan, easy peasy. And then we're going to put on top of a taco shell with lettuce and with cheese. So they're meatless tacos. It's not vegan because we have cheese. But it's mostly whole foods. So we're going to put, how much are we going to put? About, not much?
No, more.
More? It's going to need to be more. Alright, not much.
A little bit more.
This smells good.
Yeah, like a yummy taco. Beans, it could be rice. Cheese.
Here I am. You want to come over here and hold this?
I'll hold it, I'll hold it.
Don't get the stuff over there. You can put it on me.
Yeah. We're gonna take the sound off of this, right?
I will. I'll cut it or something to take the sound off.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like a fast forwarding part. Do you know? Ethan. A little bit more for you?
I want more.
You need more, Tank? Like that?
No more.
Do you eat that? You can have lettuce on top and cheese. More for you, Grace? Don't get close-ups on this boring, not done meal thing.
What do you want me to take close-ups of?
Nothing yet.
Cheers.
Lettuce? Lettuce. That's a big chunk of lettuce you got. You can always get more after we're done filming and stuff.
Yeah.
You need lots more? And then we'll put the cheese on top.
A lot of cheese.
You don't have cheese?
Okay. I'm so shaky.
At least one.
Yeah.
You like that much?
A little bit more.
You want more cheese than that?
A little more. I want to eat this now, not just look at it.
A whole bunch on yours? Like that much? Okay, pause it. Hit pause.
How about a foot bigger instead of a meter? Or a mile? You're taking a picture or a video?
Video.
Hey. Honey!
Of you?
I did,
And that one? You already ate some, didn't you? Is it yummy? Okay, let's go, you guys.
Thank you, Lord, for this good food and other blessings and light to our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Please pass me Take a video of Daddy's shirt.
What?
I like food too. Where's the rest of them?
Rest of what? You have to open a new package. That was one package of taco shells. In the drawer in the refrigerator. Is it yummy?
Does anybody want some tomatoes?
Is it yummy?
Yeah. I keep getting
Onions. You are what? You are what?
I am Tostada Man.
Show his shirt. That's toys they make. They have that mask. It looks like that. Only more.
Don't get it in the eyes. That is a big mouth. Stuff the mouth. It's dark over here.
Mama.
Sound like one dairy taco.
There, now it went clear.